In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert images with this function here in Google Sheets. So you already know how to insert images by going to Insert in the menu bar and selecting Image. So how about with the image function? So here is our formula. We have the word image and your URL, mode, height, and width. Now the most important part of this formula is basically just your URL. So let's try and do that. Let's start with our equal sign. Type in image right there or select it. Again, there's our syntax. Now to get the URL of your images, let's say you're doing a Google search of a dog. So you type in dog, press enter. Here are the results. Now if you try and select an image right here, right click on it and copy the image address. Let's try and do that. Go back to our sheet. In quotations, we're going to paste our URL. As you see, that's a lot. If we try and close that with our quotations and press enter, it will give us the value error. So basically, this value error tells us that that is the wrong URL for that image. So let's go back to our Google search right here. What we're going to do is to click on that image. It's not your direct URL for that image. So first, what you're going to do is to click on it. Once this is open, right click, then you can copy the image address. Let's go back to our sheets. Now we have a new URL. Let's delete that. There we go. Paste in our new URL. There you have it. It's much shorter now. Close it with your quotation marks and press enter. And there you have it. We have our dog image right here. Just resize your cell to make your image bigger. Now we can use this in a more dynamic way. I have my second example right here where I have created a weather update that if I select a word right here, it will give me the image corresponding to that word. So how do we do this? If you click on this cell right here, we've actually used the if-else function to have these conditions right here, then have a return value as an image. There you have it. So we have our if-else function, our first condition with this return value, our second condition with the second return value, and our third condition with our third return value. So let's try and recreate that. So the images or the icons that I used in this example is from a website called Flat Icon. So if you put that in your address bar, just type in flaticon.com. You'll be redirected to this page. If you're trying to look for something specific, just put it here in the search bar. Let's say we want a sunny icon. I typed it in, press enter, and here they are. And since we are directly with the images, you can just right click on them and copy image address. So if we go back and do the same formula, let's do equal sign, if-else. We have our first condition. So if this is equal to, in quotations, sunny, comma, we put in our image function as our return value. Again, in quotations, paste in our URL for that sunny icon, closing quotations, press enter. You have an NA because right now we don't have sunny. If we do, here we have it. We have the same icon. Again, just merge that with the other cells. There you have it. Now our second condition, you can just add it here, comma. So if this is equal to, let's say cloudy, quotations again, comma, image function. Let's try and search for a cloudy icon. Press enter. There we go. Let's select this one right here. Again, just right click on it, select copy image address. Go back to your sheets. Again, in quotations, you're going to paste in that URL. Press enter. If we select cloudy, there we have it. We have the same icon. And for our final condition, comma, if this cell right here is equal to, in quotations, the word rainy, comma, we have our return value of our final image. Again, return to the Flat Icon website, type in your keyword, look for the icon that you want to use, Let's select this one right here, right-click on it, and copy image. Return to your sheet, in quotations, paste that URL, and press enter. If we select rainy, there you have it. So although it's not the same icons, but you get the idea. So that's our dynamic way on inserting images within our formulas with the use of the image function here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.